we are given an equation, this one. We have to find the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta. This is the given part in the question. From here we derive that tan alpha will be 1 by 7. Now using this value, this is also given in the question. From here we find the value of sin beta, which will be 1 upon root 10, and using this we find the value of tan beta, which will be 1 by 3. Therefore we can find the value of tan 2 beta by using the value of tan beta, which will be 2 tan beta upon 1 minus tan square beta, and putting the value of tan beta, we will get the value of tan 2 beta as 3 by 4. Now we have to find the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta. Now using the same equation, tan alpha plus tan 2 beta 1 minus tan alpha tan 2 beta, we'll put the value of tan alpha and tan 2 beta which we have derived above and put this here. We will get as the value 1.